model, 62-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Combi 2.0 Cdti 9-seater factory-fitted minibus, grin. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 185589. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 90 PSEUR05. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Lovely tidy factory-fitted 9-seater minibus, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear, this won't be here long and will be snapped up quick grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in clean condition. Interior is very clean. First to see and drive will definitely buy smiling face with hearts. Features, aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,